following message is transmitted at the request of Key Impact. This video will contain valid emergency alert system tones. He is not responsible of any of his tones. All EAS marks are fake and they should be used for entertainment purposes only. Another thing, don't try to take Kian's videos without permission. Doing so will get you a copyright strike without a warning. Any music and sound effects don't belong to Kian. They all belong to their owners. And one more thing, please don't be an idiot and play these tones in the air, as it will cause panic and confusion. But anyways, go grab some popcorn and snacks and enjoy this video.
Hello, welcome to NBC News in Hartford, Connecticut. I am your news reporter, Aaron. Let's see the weather for today. So there is gonna be heavy rain, which might have a chance for flooding. We advise wearing jackets and having an umbrella on you, because it is gonna be raining. The rain will last from 2 o'clock to 3:15, and hold on, I'm giving word that the emergency alert system is activating. Please stand by from a message by the emergency alert system.
The National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for the city of Hartford. The following message was transmitted by the National Weather Service. A flood has been detected in downtown Hartford. The heavy rain caused a flood in the city of Hartford, and it is rising up. All civilians must seek shelter. Don't drown, and flood deaths are common. Do not drive anywhere. If you are driving, stay in your car at all costs. We will keep you with more information on the flood. An emergency action termination has been issued for the city of Hartford. The following message was transmitted by the request of the National Weather Service. At 3:15 Eastern Standard Time, the flood is now gone, but it is still raining. You may now resume your normal programming now.